Hello YouTube, my name is Lemloin. Today we're going to explain what is Restream, a little bit about OBS, and Zoom conference calls, how to do them, what they're good for, and all that stuff. Alright, so stay tuned. We're going to teach you how to use Livestream. It's nifty. Alright. So I have been using Restream for about a couple years now. I use it mainly for, live stream purposes. Live stream to Twitch, Mixer, YouTube. But there's a lot of things you can use Restream for, okay? So mainly I use Twitch, Mixer, and YouTube. But if you go to add a channel, you have all of these. You got Facebook, you got Periscope, you got LinkedIn, you got VK Live, you got all of the things. You got all the things. You even got Steam down here. Alright, so what is Restream? Basically what it does is it captures your broadcast and then use Restream and stream it out simulcast to different platforms all at the same time. And it's real nice because they have a chat integrated. So you either open up the browser or you download it from Windows. I like using the browser. That's how I do it, because I don't really want to download their program. Although I use it enough, I probably should. But yeah, you open the browser, it pops right there. I got my second monitor. I see all the chat. I see the YouTube chat. I see the Twitch chat. I see the Mixer. So earlier I said about Zoom calls. Okay, you can use Restream for Zoom calls. All right. So this is important. So you're gonna need your URL later and your stream key. A little tip for all you guys new: your stream key is private. Anybody that has the key can stream it, so keep it hidden. That's why it's all OE out. It's OE out. All right. Next, you go to a Zoom. All right. Now to do this, I repeat, to do this, you have to have a paid Zoom account to do the meeting thingy. There's ways around it, but to use directly the one from Zoom, alright, you're going to have to hit plans, and then you're going to have to use the pro version, the business one, the entrepreneur. You can read it in there, the difference. Alright, so when you do that, let's see, alright. So it will say it doesn't appear, but it'll be right here, allow live streaming meetings. You will toggle this on. It doesn't appear for me because I have the free one, and you have to have the paid one to even see it, but it'll say like allow live streaming, and then you tab it, and then when you tab it, you get more settings. And then when you get more settings, then you're going to need to post in your URL and then your stream key. And then you're good to go. And that's how you do it with the paid version on Zoom. Now, something I said before is OBS. Okay, now what is OBS? OBS is Open Broadcast Software. It's free to download, and you can tweak it. And then you can get around paying Zoom Premium, but it won't live stream it on Zoom. If you need to live stream on Zoom, you have to buy the Zoom Premium. But if you want to live stream like on YouTube, Twitch, Mixer, Discord, other stuff, Facebook, or ad channels, all of these things you can do. But Zoom, you have to buy the paid membership, and you have to do it through Zoom. Okay, please like, comment, subscribe. If you got any questions, please tell me. And my favorite saying is, have a lightful day and bring home the hardware. I'll see you in the next lightning video.